Syria, a country torn apart by wars for more than a decade now, is suddenly back at the center of a big power politics. This particular week, Turkey's President Recep Tayyip Erdogan and Russia's President Mr. Vladimir Putin sat down to talk about one thing: Syria's unity. Well, both the leaders said that the country must remain whole, not broken into pieces. You know why this really matters? Because right now Syria is divided like a chessboard. The Assad government in Damascus controls the capital and parts of West, but only with heavy help from Russia and Iran. Then comes the north. Well, Turkish-backed groups run the show. In the east, the US troops still back the Kurdish fighters. And scattered across Syria are militants, rebels, and foreign forces. Now, by talking about unity, Erdogan and Putin are really sending a message here. Foreign powers should stop dividing Syria for their own benefits. Russia already dominates Syrian skies, while Turkey controls its borderlands. Together, they could reshape who really influence inside the country. And wait, here's the real twist. Israel is really not happy with this. For years, Israel has carried out secret and not so secret airstrikes in Syria, targeting Iranian weapons and Hezbollah bases. But if Russia and Turkey tighten their control, then Israel may lose that freedom to act. Now, that would change the balance of power in the Middle East. So basically, on the surface, this looks like a peace pledge, but underneath, it's a power game, with Erdogan and Putin trying to push out the US, limit Israel, and take ownership of Syria's future. So here's a big question. Will this new partnership spark even bigger tensions in the West Asia or not? Well, only time will tell.